Imagine a world where computational power is exponentially increased, where previously unsolvable problems become solvable, and where the future of technology is redefined. Welcome to the fascinating world of quantum computing. Our advanced program in quantum computing and quantum algorithms invites students from all backgrounds to join this technological revolution. Whether you have a background in computer science, physics, mathematics, or engineering, there is a place for you in our groundbreaking program. Master the foundations of quantum mechanics, quantum algorithms, and cutting-edge programming languages like Q. Our comprehensive curriculum bridges the gap between theory and practice, ensuring that you become a leading expert in the quantum realm. Learn from world-renowned professors and industry leaders who will guide you on your path to quantum excellence. Our hands-on approach to learning will give you the opportunity to work on real-world projects, providing you with the experience needed to excel in the field. Quantum computing holds the key to unlocking new possibilities across various domains such as cryptography, optimization, and material science. Collaborate with your peers to explore these areas and push the boundaries of what's possible with quantum technology. So are you ready to take the leap into the quantum future? Enroll now in our advanced program in quantum computing and quantum algorithms and become the catalyst for the next generation of technological breakthroughs.